Morning guys, in front of me is OUKITEL OT11 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open some area where you've got access to your keypad. It can be new message, can be browser, notes, whatever. We just need to have keypad in front of us. Now mark settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, choose the language that you want to have. Tap on done. Now you can remove unnecessary language if you want to, but let me show you how it works with two languages. By tapping on this word icon, you can switch between languages. If you have one language only, this word icon disappears and you can always use only letters from particular keypad. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.